Hi, this is Janet ng Pinoy Cooking Recipes. Let's make 7-Up cake. Super easy to make. Let's begin. In a large bowl, beat butter until creamy. Add sugar, then beat until light and fluffy. Add eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. Add lemon juice and beat to combine. Add flour to the butter mixture 1 cup at a time, mixing well after each addition. Then add 7-Up, half or third at a time, blending well after each addition. Generously grease your bundt pan with oil or butter. Bake in a preheated oven 325F or 160C for about 60 to 75 minutes, or until toothpick inserted comes out clean. Let it cool for about 10 minutes. Loosen edges with a spatula, then invert to cool completely. Now, let's make the glaze. In a small bowl, sift 1 cup powdered sugar. Then add lemon juice and milk. Give it a good stir until smooth. You can adjust the glaze recipe as needed or depending on the glaze consistency that you prefer. Now, drizzle the glaze over the cooled cake. Now the cake is ready. Enjoy your homemade 7-Up cake. More recipes at PinoyCookingRecipes.com. Thanks for watching!